Hi guys, welcome to the channel again. This is the third video on Nikon D3100. Small camera, 14 megapixels, does the job massively. This video I'm going to show you how to change battery on this camera. Obviously, if you have owned a DSLR camera before, you already probably will figure this out. But this is just a tutorial video, so I'll be talking about some basic stuffs as well for newbies on the DSLR world. So at the bottom here, you have got a catch. All you have to do is press that catch and push it towards the body. And when you do that, it will lift the flap out and the battery is there. Rather than trying to pick it up from there, all you have to do is tilt the camera and then the battery will hold in there. It will not fall off. You have to apply some pressure to get it out of the body, and that's the battery out, guys. Putting the battery in, then you have to bear in mind that you have to put it in the right order. So this little bit over here, so that's where all the connections are. So the connection bit goes that way. So as you can see, the Nikon and arrow needs to be facing outside the body of the camera where the SD card slot is. So press it in, and once it's in, basically you have to pull this towards the body again and push it in, and that's how you change battery on Nikon D3100. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel, which will encourage me to make more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.